Here's the shotgun challenge again with 9 enemies. Let's see how I do. Fuck. Oh shit, it's done. Not going to do it right now. Oh shit, God damn it. God damn it, sniper. God damn. God damn it. Fuck. What the fuck? That is bullshit. Motherfuckers. Fuck you. God damn it. Ah, I killed one before I died. Oh shit. God damn it. Shit. So I hate when that happens. If you're so close to knock them in your mitts and then they knife your ass, they knife you at right ass, your ass right back. God damn it. The fuck? God shit. Oh, you gained up on me. What the fuck? Just over here. God damn it. It's so sad. The story's so sad. It's so sad. God fucking damn it. No, it's not. This proves I'm not as good as a shotgun as you think. Son of a bitch. I still rapid fire now. Son of a... What the fuck? It's bullshit. Fuck you. Motherfucker. Shit. Surprise, motherfucker. Where the fuck is that?
Be advised, hostile care package inbound.
What's the matter? Again? Ah, you fucking sniper. God damn it. Shit, if I could kill them if he didn't snipe me. Haha, motherfucker.
We're losing this fight.
No shit, Sherlock. Oh, hell yeah. That was awesome. God damn it. That seems so good. That was so fucking good. And then, boom. I died. Screw you. Oh. What the fuck? That fucking missed me. How did that fucking kill me? God damn it. Fuck you. God fucking damn it. Oh well, I lost. That's how many deaths I have.
Profile has not been achieved. RTB for retasking.
It fucking suck. Oh, there's 42 on that side? Fuck. 18 times.